Hi, it's Julie here at Limbra's Dance, where I'm just going to do a video today for you on how to put on a curly ponytail wig. You always want to start off with your hair in a ponytail, and you choose the color of your wig based on the top of your head here, because the bottom of your hair is always going to be a little bit lighter at the bottom. So choose a color that matches when your hair's back in a ponytail. So you want the ponytail to be quite high up because you're going to want to see the curls from the front. So Elise has her ponytail on quite high. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put her hair in a bun. And we're just going to pretend there isn't a bump there. The bun doesn't have to be perfect because it's going to be hidden by the ponytail. But this is just going to help to anchor the wig. So when you open it up, on the underside there's netting and there's two little combs. This is what's going to help you cinch it into the sides. There's also this drawstring. So what you want to do is you want the combs to be on the sides, and you put it over her bun, push the combs into the middle, and once that's secured, you're going to take the drawstring and you're going to pull it until it's tight. And I always say it's not tight enough unless you've pulled it until they say ow, till it hurts. So you don't want this falling off on stage. So then you wind the drawstring back around, and you're going to use bobby pins to pin it in place. So I've got my bobby pins here. First I'm going to secure the drawstring, and then I'm going to make sure the rest of the ponytail is in there nice and tight. So you want to stick the pin in and catch onto some of the netting and then push back. Do it from the bottom here. So you push it in and then down and up. And there is your curly ponytail.